art of medicine is love, there is also a love of humanity by Hippocrates. Hello everyone, this is Neha and this is Neha. Neha had bone fracture weighing 22 lbs and Neha has suffered from common cold weighing 33 lb. Is it correct to prescribe the same strength for Neha and Neha? Yes, you can. This is Harry and Karan. Harry weighs 33.0693 lbs. Karan weighs 77.161 lbs. Is it correct to prescribe the same strength for Harry and Karan? No, you can't. There is a way. Posology. Posology. Posos means how much and logos means science. Posology is the branch of medicine which deals with dose of drugs which can be administered to a patient to get the desired pharmacological action. The dose of a drug cannot be fixed rigidly because there are so many factors which influence the doses. The official doses represent the average range of quantities suitable for the adult which administered orally within 24 hours. When other routes of administration are followed, the relevant appropriate dose is given. So, the responsibility of pharmacist is to calculate the appropriate dose for each and every patient. Dose calculation is based on three factors: age, body weight, body surface area. Under age, Young's formula, Dilling's formula, Fry's formula. Young's formula is age in years divided by age plus 12 into adult dose. This is applicable for children 2-year-old and under 12 years of age. Dilling's formula is age in years divided by 20 into adult dose. This is applicable for children between 4 to 20 years of age. Fry's formula is age in months divided by 150 into adult dose. This is for infants up to 2-year-old. Dose proportional to body weight is determined by Clark's formula. Weight of the child in kg divided by 70 into adult dose. Dose proportional to surface area is determined by square meter surface area method. Surface area of child divided by surface area of adult into adult dose.
These are the steps to calculate the pediatric dosage form. Dose proportionate to body weight. Step 1. Converting weight of a child from pounds to kg. Step 2. Calculate dose in mg. Step 3. Divide overall dose by frequency. Step 4. Calculate the dose in ml or tablet. Dose proportional to body surface area. Step 1. Child weight in kg. Step 2. Calculate BSA in square meter. Step 3. Calculate the pediatric dosage by formula. Calculating pediatric IV solutions. If it is done by IV pump, the formula is total volume to be infused divided by total time in hours. The unit is ml per hour. If it is done by Butyl or Solusic, the formula is total volume to be infused divided by total time for infusion in minutes into drop factor. The unit is GTT per minute. There are some solved examples. Calculate the dose of amoxicillin suspension in ml for otitis media for a 1-year child weighing 22 lb. The dose required is 40 mg per kg per day divided Wissendale and the suspension comes in a concentration of 400 mg by 5 ml. Step 1 is conversion of pounds to kg. The known unit is 2.2 lb is equal to 1 kg. By using this, we have to cross multiplicate to get the value of x, which is 10 kg. Step 2. Calculate the dose in mg for 10 kg. So 10 kg into 40 mg per kg per day is equal to 400 mg per day. Step 3. Divide the dose by the frequency. The calculated dose is 400 mg per day, which is divided by the frequency 2 is equal to 200 mg by dose Wissendale. Step 4. Convert the mg dose to ml. 200 mg by dose, which is divided by 400 mg by 5 ml, is equal to 2.5 ml Wissendale. The second sum is calculate the pediatric dosage based on the premise that an adult who weighs 140 lb has a BSA of 1.7 square meter and the child weighs 24 lb and the adult dose is 100 mg. Step 1 is conversion of child weight in kg. The known unit is 2.2 lb is equal to 1 kg. By using this, we have to cross multiplicate to get the value of x, which is 10.9 kg. And the second step is calculate the body surface area in square meter. The known formula is 4 into child weight in kg plus 7 divided by weight in kg plus 90 is equal to 4 into 10.9 plus 7 divided by 10.9 plus 90. Child BSA is 0.5 square meter. And the third step is we have to calculate the BSA formula. Dose for the child is equal to surface area of child divided by surface area of adult into adult dose is equal to 0.5 divided by 1.7 into 100 is equal to 29.4 mg. So, the calculated pediatric dosage based on the body surface area is 29.4 mg. It's time to use your brain. A physician orders Lenoxin 12.5 mg per OS daily for an infant weighing 6 lb 8 ounce. You have Lenoxin 0.05 mg per ml. The recommended daily dosage for an infant is 0.035 to 0.06 mg per kg per day in divided doses 2 times a day. The questions are: A. To calculate child weight in kg. B. What is the safe recommended dosage for this child? C. Is the order safe? D. If yes, how many ml will you administer? And the second question is, a child is to receive IV fluids at maintenance rate. She weighs 2.3 lbs. The questions are: A. To calculate child weight in kg. B. Calculate her 24 hours fluid requirements. C. How many milliliters per hour are needed to deliver the maintenance fluids? And the answers are: for the first question, A. The child weight is 2.9 kg or 3 kg. B. The safe recommended dosage is 0.11 to 0.18 mg per kg per day. C. No, the order is not safe. D. Question this order. For second question, A. The child weight is 11.4 kg. B. 1070 ml per 24 hours. C. 44.6 ml per hour.